Hello garden lovers! Are you dreaming of breathtaking color, unstoppable growth and easy care beauty all summer long? Then let me introduce you to an absolute superstar from Provenwinners. This is Petunia Vista. Believe me, I'm not exaggerating when I call this plant the ultimate stunner. The legendary Petunia Vista is a vigorous, upright trailing petunia that grows fast, blooms hard and never ever looks tired. Let me tell you, Vista is not just a petunia, she is a flower machine. Whether you plant them in window boxes, hanging baskets, or as landscape plants, Vistas show an unbeatable growth and flower performance. They very quickly fill space with massive color and volume. No gaps, no pauses, just wow! The top varieties like Vista Bubblegum, Fuchsia or Silverberry are known across the world for their extraordinary performance. They are of course self-cleaning, so no deadheading needed. They are incredibly weather resistant. Heavy rain, no problem. Hot and dry summers, no problem. Cold springs or autumns, they just perform all the time. And they bloom non-stop from early spring until frost. Looking for something more compact but just as bold? Then say hello to Vista MiniVista. These little powerhouses are ideal for smaller pots, baskets and tight spaces with the same flower power and endurance as their big sister. MiniVista stays tidy, blooms like crazy and brings a more controlled, very elegant look for refined compositions. Both Vista and MiniVista are very low maintenance, incredibly long-lasting, healthy and resistant, and absolutely show-stopping. A bulletproof recommendation for every garden lover, beginners like experts. Backed by the Provenwinners quality promise, these petunias deliver results you will adore and your neighbors will envy. Now, which is your favorite color combo? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more garden inspiration with Provenwinners, where performance meets beauty. Thank you very much now for watching the video. See you very soon here on our channel. Bye bye!